Rajvi, are you ready for a interesting game?
Yes.
Let's play. Okay, what I'm going to do beta with you, I'm going to give you one feeling or expression. You have to, act. You are getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So whatever expression I'll tell you, you have to show me that expression on your face. You can use your hand also. Chalo. Stand straight beta. Let us start. Rajvi, show me a happy face. Sad face. A smiling face. Laughter. Crying face. Angry face. Nervous face. Thinking face. Surprise. Show me a proud face. Okay. Show me a shouting face. How Mama shouts at you? Mama shouts like this.
Yes.
No. Okay. When Mama shouts at you? When you do some good thing?
No, bad thing.
What are those bad things? Can you tell me?
I broke the plate.
You broke the plate that day. Now I'm giving you some situations. You have to make a face. It's your birthday.
Yes, I love it.
Okay. You lost your shoes.
Where's it?
Your Dadu and Dadi have gone to their village.
I'm sad.
You miss them?
Yes.
You miss them?
Yes.
Okay.
They'll come again in my home.
Yes, they will come again because they love you and you love them.
I want my birthday.
Oh, they will come on your birthday? Okay. Okay. And suppose you meet your friends. What is your expression? You feel sad or happy?
Happy.
Show me your happy face, shouting face. Yes. So for now, say bye to your friends.
Bye.